Them for know sir, Diablo represent for all. Pretty girl storm, them for know sir, J.O.B. them for know sir, bad people, bad company. Pretty girl storm, better man never make you feel so. Like a barrel have your hand and we so.
God wanted to hear from me. God wanted to hear from me. And tonight, I was on there saying,
God no want hear from the wicked.
My business to myself.
God no want hear from the wicked.
Come in and breathe a word of prayer.
Bad prayer that.
Never have I stood up and just pray up my place. When I beat me attack, when I time to start literally beat. And I stood there. And I walked through the kitchen, I walked through the mixing room, I walked through my kitchen inside, I walked through the cake room, and I walked through my dining area, and I asked God for divine favor.
This cow we are people. This cow we are Donna cow.
Divine favor.
Donna cow. Only tell me now. When I slack off over here. Let me tell you something. When you don't put up nothing about dirty disgrace. When you don't come with no blood clot distraction today. When you keep that to yourself. Alright? Alright. The cow I deal with. We focus over here. Keep all them little distraction there to yourself. You watch that and have fun with that. Alright? No want nobody a calling about them. Donna go away what I deal with. The bull cow. The side chick, the bitch, the want to be, or fuck her church sister husband. She wa deal with Donna Gowie, will buy guns and bullet at Mountain View and take charity money and put in a gun. She wa deal with.
I asked him not to let any hindrance or anything that is not of him come nigh my baking area or come against me. And let me tell you something. God want hear from the whole of we. God no want a first party, no third party, no second party. He want hear from we, from the belly. You can't do that. You notice when time I'm up here in church I keep all the crowd little bit. And when time all it on a Sunday.
Come on to Bosha play gospel that blood clot wicked self. Then I'll buy the guns and bullet attack about church. You're all wicked. You fuck the church sister, man. Donna, you there with Mikey want to a gunman a Mountain View, Donna. Donna, you buy a Glock, you want to shatter them up there, Donna. Donna, your pussy stink, Donna. You can't be a cake, you nobody, Donna. Rotten old Donna.
I want to come on phone and look for Auntie Donna blessing. Or I look for Sister
your shit
John
face.
blessing. Sister Mary blessing.
Your shit face.
Pray to God for your own blessing.
You're ugly no blood clot, Donna. Look on you, you're ugly no blood clot. Sin there on you and your mama.
You understand? Pray. Sometimes I want to watch it live, I want to watch it live. I want to watch it live. I want to not done. I want to just fall asleep.
The face want to wash.
I feel me there for live long, I get up and go say something to God.
Donna, at least we fall asleep. Donna, guess what you do? You not brush your blood clot teeth when you come on live. Your mouth kinda white and your breath stink, Donna, when you come on live. You not beard when you come on live, Donna. Your blood clot pick now to tell you go beard when you come on live, Donna. Your fucking plank of them have got tell you go brush your teeth and go beard stinking mouth, woman. You have time for God that obia you do. The blood clot, boy God, that obia you do. Blood clot, you look stink and mold in that shot there.
If I ever say thank you, Lord, for today.
What's on her face?
Something.
Donna face need for wash.
With all the phone. I'm going to put God one side and put me first. Put no man first.
Can't put you
no
first, Donna. Use a
first.
bumbuclad piece of shit. You wish. Use a wicked piece of shit, Donna. Go pay a blood clot salon the light bill. You have all heap of money salon the light bill about for blood clot cut off. And that you forgot though. Tell the people them say blood clot salon the light a cut off. Go pay a salon a blood clot light bill out of your money where you owe. Who are? Where you thief from her. Cause she about to have no blood clot light. Them owe at least 20 grand. Bitch.
And then when things now work out, now no life, no blame This year one I wanna blame that because I don't spend no time.
Nobody nah blame nothing. All people are blame you. So what happened in your life? Eh? What happened in your life? Make you have to walk with gunman behind you. You can't go nowhere without a gunman behind you, Donna. How go on in your life? Eh? You can't have a gunman walk without you. Fuck out, no drugs now coming at the cake. No drugs in 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 the cake. You're a bad man when you walk road.
Time with God. We not spend no time for no.
Look pan who I talk about God. Where they with a blood clot gunman where Andrew Olney slept out of jail or get convicted for over 30 years. And Andrew Olney let him out of jail after he get convicted. Andrew Olney. And say he never get enough phone call. Remember say the gunman on a TV here, man. Are your church sister, man? Are your church sister, man, the gunman? Just remember that are your church sister, man. The gunman. I'm not take the call right now. Tell you when for call.
Oh God, the phone itself. Nah, nothing. Anything they see me I do here, anything when me
Some man a slack up on my life. You hear me say, I'm not take my call now. Me I gotta deal with this right now. Now slack off, man. And so I'm gonna say, play distraction thing when you come over here with.
anything they see me I
And
do
when
here.
I play with that now. Me I take in control of this. Now alright? We smack out that already. No time for that now. We deal with thief in Donna now. Alright? Them don't fight corruption when we have keep fighting corruption. Now that what I deal with. Dirty stinking Donna. Or buy gonna mouth you. She what deal with.
Any divine favor will grant it down unto me. A prayer give me to God. And nobody push me up no way. God himself elevate me. So I just want to encourage all of you tonight for prayer, have faith. From the bottom of your belly. Prayer.
I talk about bottom of my belly. I wanted the blood clot, Donna. You can't say nothing nobody bottom of my belly. Eh? You need to clean your body, Donna. When clean your body. And that you forgot do. I wanna play with no angry face tonight, you know. Oh, no matter keep on the finger at the right place tonight. Cause it cross.
My blessing cannot be your blessing. Your blessing cannot be my blessing. You understand? Anything what God do for me, He will do it for Uno, but Uno ways are for pleasing to Him. Uno have to do something when He feel please. And that is it. When time God bless you, the enemy them mad. The enemy them upset. The enemy them tormented.
My brother. I really have to come here a link. Cause I'm mad than a big up Naya and my brother and his wife. Up and running. Naya, link you tomorrow. The time you come off. Link you tomorrow. Alright. Oh, we have a session tomorrow. Although I'm not smoke. Alright. And my brother that teach me all heap of my badness.
I just tell you no say, no care what I do put.
Them youth, them I'm a compound road a foreign. Yeah. And he said, yeah, we go up to the club with that. Yeah. Man, I make police run them down and me stay. Yeah. Big up my brethren. The man, they move me out of fight when fight I go on a club. Yeah. We go in at the club with the thing and police. Yeah. And can't get... Big up my brother. Yeah. Big up my brother. Yeah. Matlock, you there? Matlock, you there? All right. We need Matlock. Find me some info real quick. Please. Check the WhatsApp. Everything you can get on that one. Yeah. Not say a word, my brother.
To put God first. And if you want to put God first in anything at all,
Come on, Matlock. Please. We have work tonight. All right. You know what? We're going to stop that. I'm going to deal with it.
Alonado, you don't have to worry.
It's not going to slow down now. I'm like, I'm here alone now. Crackhead bitch Tanya Reid. Look on you I talk about people. Look on you suck good girl. Boy inbox me about Donna. Now make sure you look on yourself. And deal. Like me not have nobody at work tonight. So me I gotta deal with it. Crackhead. Watch. Alright. This crackhead now when named Tanya Reid. Look on her. Eh? Look on this blood clot crackhead when I have nothing to do. Boy inbox me. This little blood clot whore. I show everybody upon your blood clot page. But man, everybody upon it I get sure. How this you faggot man? Pan this little bang belly rat ya. Eh? What you doing on my inbox? Eh? Shit house. Look on you. This life starting on my blood clot inbox. How that you batty man? Eh? Blood clot. Watch ya. Girl I feel your nastiness. Eh? Shit house. The blood clot. A one suit you have on Facebook. One blood clot night you go out. The blood clot. One suit, girl. Eh? One suit Tanya Reid. Anybody know anything pan Tanya Reid? Inbox me. And WhatsApp me. Bitch, come back now my inbox again. Watch the one blood clot suit. Look on all of your picture them. One suit. Watch ya. One suit, bitch. Oh, you change. Eh? Somebody need to lower you down to the deepest part of the water with a blood clot anchor around your neck. Somebody need to get to the deepest part of the water with a blood clot anchor around your head. Shit house. Somebody said, anybody know that shit house Tanya Reid? Nah, man, I not fake page. Not fake page. So me I work the page there. Body now work today. Look here, you cheap and nasty. Don't play yourself. Now you one suit of blood clot. I see if no mama upon this. No me. No friend. Everybody man sure. The shit house friend them everybody. Teaching our blood clot lesson. Ugly people. Ugly not blood clot. Ugly blood clot people. Let's see. Anything for do with shitty house, Donna today. And come placard here and come. Come! Blood clot. I'm gonna have a heart attack tonight.
People and look connection and everything. You never yet see me. And you not bless me. You never. Donna, sometimes I don't see and your son call me. And you say your daughter then, you say she dey home in all this, buy this fear. Bounty killer likewise. And I have to go over because I don't look no accolade, no fame from them. I just tell you now what God do for me.
Because England are one of the most chunk. Now let me start. You gone. Blood clot. You know this my country, me have citizenship too. Come out of this blood clot. Pure dirty water there, England are mad people. Can't this the greatest country in the world? England are the biggest blood clot slave driver country in a modern time. Get the fuck out of here.
I walk at airport, I do all kind of things. When I left airport, I got foreign, I come back. So I go sell down a town back.
I left from blood clot England and come at TJ Maxx. A blood clot New York City. I buy ticket for bumbo clot almost 1,000 blood clot pound. And come at TJ Maxx and Marshall. And I live in Europe. The fashion capital of the world. And I come back a blood clot TJ Maxx. So in America, when I have no time for search through TJ Maxx. For find one suit and you have to search 8 hours.
Ears rings, smoke all, umbrella, everything. Got ATL go work. I could have bake a long time.
You can't bake.
And at ATL, I know I can sell bake cake and sell it big time. Every worker start support me. Not every worker, but 3/4 of them over sandals.
Everybody at ATL say you're full of blood clot mix up. Everybody at ATL. Go play a blood clot where she name Bill Salone Bill. So I like na blood clot turn off. And that you forgot blood clot with the little thief himself, thief up all of the woman money and talk about she dey pan cancer. But she dey pan cancer. Liar bitch, how you not answer that yet? Because the woman have no cancer. Eh? Yeah, and I used to call me blind while I climb the ladder. And them something they ever talk about God. Think I'd sleep on you? Sure.
Over. ATL, it's yeah. Everybody, people me know, friends. This is when I tell that the one day, I put it on social media. IG. Bring my one to social media and make money. Me can bring my one to social media and people buy from me and that happen. They used to call me the cake lady. I make me juice, I make me live at gym.
You live at which
gym? And they said individual.
You live at gym? Where do I sell cake at the gym? You know I use the machine them at the gym. You live at which blood clot gym? Eh?
We used to advertise some waist trainer.
Yeah, put up the real where people can get them good up cake. TinaChinCakes.com. You can't bake like Tina Chin. You wish you could. TinaChinCakes.com. You want the next jealous one. Come see the woman and do her thing, boy, you can't bake. Eh? Me buy two of the rock cake them. From the dad Jamaica. And me ship them come from and give somebody. Sure. Rock cake that. So the person tell me not even say nothing. Cause them I buy it for. Rock cake them there. Blood clot about black cake.
And the individual calls Maddie now. Text this person, watch her know she shape bad. How them give she waist trainer for advertise. All of them.
Yes, you shape bad. You shape bad. Something like a cow with upper your top of your body like your butt like SpongeBob. Yeah.
Thing that want to do behind closed door and fight me. But I'm glad God have a way of exposing people and bringing things. Anything what happen to some of them are their own retribution. No care want to tear me down. No care want to fight me. No care want to tell lie for me. I go come out victorious. Uno will never live. All of uno in a phone want to tell lie for me. But bad mind me fit.
Donna, me Ashanti 360 can't bad mind you. Can you live a blood clot Mountain View, Donna? Living in one of the worst garrisons of the whole Jamaica. Who could have bad mind you from that? You thief the street and live on the street of your veranda, Donna. The street of your blood clot veranda. You live on capture land, Donna. The fuck wrong with you? The fuck? Garbage truck come to your community whenever them want, Donna. Sometime all a month, blood clot garbage truck. Gunshot for that Mountain View like what? Who a Jamaica want live a Mountain View out there, so? That part of Mountain View there. Who want live a 99 at the corner there, so? The fuck out of here. The fuck did this bitch? I live no life? Housing trust now pay for no house a Mountain View and a no garrison. Cause them not have no value. No matter where you put on them and how big you put them, they not buy or them not give nobody no money for buying a house in them community there. The fuck would I grudge you a Mountain View? You just have vehicle here and you can't blood clot drive and you have 47 and you can't drive. You don't slide back, you have a 6th grade education. Yeah, we're going to pray and beat up Nicola Macala.
Charity. Where charity are mad or no. Where charity lick out on.
Send her a picture come. My black car already. Send her a picture.
Will never ever live for walking in my shoes. I go
let me see if she's a prior warrior.
I make history in Jamaica. I'm going to make history. I make history till you no live for my name on the day in a phone and tell lie. But me just come to tell you that there's a bomb in this.
Nobody not tell no lie upon you. You buy guns and bullet. You beat up Saloni. You put the people in pan and them apologize for your brother. You give them half of the queen of them, take half of the money off camera. You thief all of the money, you make your man have gas plant, you build your man house, all type of thing. You build house a country, you build a gunman hideout house a country. We're going to give out the address to. And we're going to give out your country address to you build. The blood clot. Then I use no Christian, you fuck the policeman. Don't forget you fuck the policeman and the queen where you buy the Glock out of the door of them money.
Never you trouble Zion. It's a testimony there for me. Look
which by your blood clot Zion? Which by your Zion? Which by the blood clot you are Zion?
God, you know what, it amazes me. I don't know none of them are people who want to buy from me. None
You're
of
damn
them,
right.
None of them. To the two little young youth, Young Vibes TV came and I'm so frustrated. Them a call me when me and mix. And then buy 2 cake and I come out to them and I tell them, say, come back to me, Saturday, go and put on up on the live. 2 little boy. Because when them come in, me come and I did it on the live and them set up on the for me and I wait for me station set up. And I never get to deal with them. But Young Vibes TV, the 2 little boy, them are going to deal with them on Saturday. Because today when they come, my headspace never did. I did want to sleep. I go get rest and start the baking and night baking me out tonight again. Don't tell me if you want me to talk on my page, me and give me testimony.
Where the blood clot? I like that. Where the blood clot? Hold on there. I block somebody by accident, look why. Where the blood clot? That a woman, no shit. I'm not even going to call woman that's blood. Bomber clot. Shit. No man, the person never forget black.
This is where God bring me through and God bring me here. Them tell lies up on top of lies up on top of lies.
Admin.
If them tell lies, some of them me no hear, some of them me hear, some of them me no know, some I think them when they say but me not even me, myself know about it. Them go for my mother. Me never yet hide me Lulu. Me never lied me no.
Oh, you mean you not hide Lulu? Lulu, the woman accused Lulu of molesting her. Your mother is a child molester. Oh, you not come and address that. Oh, you not bring a 6 lawyer them. The lady call out your mother name and call her to the front line. What did you address, liar? When did you address it? When I first accused you months ago, you said nobody can call your name and address. We come months now with the evidence and everything. When did you address it? Me I tell you, Donna, your mother is a child molester. She touch her pum pum with pum pum. She suck clit. And play with the little girl titty. Sure.
Send message to me and tell me how to road my charity. You never hold on a phone and do.
Cheryl bless, big up yourself. Alright, we'll soon get to the next child. Why you never send, like, me keep tell, alright, forget it. Alright, that's why them something I get sure, cause when I send them go the wrong place.
Phone and do so. Hi, this is John Puss and John Da. But guess what? You cannot do it because nobody now donate to no. The millions them will pass through me and mad no. The millions them will pass through me and put on in a darkness. Who do it? The man up above, the barman Gideon.
My friend, text me upon the next WhatsApp.
This are coming like more than
text
Christmas.
me upon the WhatsApp, yeah, and tell me, because I'm there on the phone when you text me. Text me on this WhatsApp and tell me what you tell me, because I'm there on the phone when you text me upon the call. I'm only see it come up on top of the screen. Alright? Remember to WhatsApp, man.
This are coming like more than Christmas to me. And who me have to give thanks to the man up above. I'm going to keep it to myself. I'm not selfish. I ask you to support other bakers. I ask you to support.
Support TinaChinCakes.com. Support TinaChinCakes.com. You still a text me upon the wrong phone. I text you from my phone. Why not text me back from the phone I text you from? You text me from the wrong number. You text me back from the same number. Text me upon the number upon the screen, 3634744533129. What's up upon that number there, my friend? Yeah, slow me down.
Other people who are do them business. Me highlight other people business.
Lie.
So tonight is a testimony for me. I'm looking at my kitchen. I know December in Jamaica, you know. And November, everybody has been done.
In November, terminus the line up. Yeah? Terminus the craziness where did I go on last season. And me alone? And me alone? After terminus the because everybody get a taste of the taste bad pudding and cake. And now run back like that. TinaChinCakes.com.
How you sell cake already and no Christmas yet? Me say a Thanksgiving in America. Oh.
Nobody no want them wrap cake there for Thanksgiving. I tell you that. When a lot of things are America, big foreign. When a lot of things, Maxine send you stuff at Jamaica. Donna, block the socks. Block the socks, alright? Donna. Alright? She ate them. Admin, you hear? You hear, admin? Get me that person, not just block them. Get me? Alright, something now. Something off. Something off. Something off. Something off. Because I got to something. Let me see that one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, alright, but that's why I make sure. I'm going to my comfort zone now. Alright. Alright, so that last one there with the Kerry Newton, get them for me and get some info for me. Yeah. But I find them, you have to come off of the something, you can't click on the something, you have to come out of the thing and put in them name. But the one where you just tell me, I find them quick. Alright. Yeah. You have to do at least me a screenshot. Look on the ugly one here. We talk about Donna for prayer. Look on she. You need to pray to God yourself. You need to pray for him for some blood clot looks. You need prayers of blood clot. You look like sin. Alright? You look like blood clot sin. Yes, look by yourself. Don't play with me. Nicole McCalla, look on you. You need prayers. You need a wig too. The blood clot. Not just prayers. Keep it coming.
People send them family. People send them, as they talk about people, let me make a little something clear. Paula explained to me that there was a lady here who came and buy cakes in bulk this morning. Because we put it out so people can get bulk of it. No, I cannot stop people from reselling back my cakes. But when you come for cakes to resell,
a peer cake you sell in a bungle. Every one of them a cake in a bungle you sell. Who you fool? So nobody now come up there bad mouth if you wanna buy a cake. A peer war about to start off because you buy gun and bullets. That person that I see a picture, you know, I warn you, because when I pull you up, you gotta tell me some mistake you make. Press the angry face again. Get that person up from my matlock and send me them picture. Oh, I have me something. Okay, I have the lock this. Okay, I can do it myself. Okay. Alright, I can't take the time off. Okay, you know I take one. Alright. Get another iPhone. Alright. My clock, grab that one there for me. Forget the Samsung. And grab that one there for my matlock. Not just grab that one there. Call up that one there for me. Because I know who you know. It's a friend on the page. Call her up and or call. Yeah man, call them up. Come and see them picture. Don't worry if it's a fake, just call them up. Yeah, you have right hand could have be far from your left hand. Go and fuck with them and see a picture. Hurry up back lock with that one there. Alright. And if you know how Facebook work, you know, you have a friend on my page too.
please bear in mind that I want a picture with you. Anybody I go with me cake go sell it. I want a picture to identify you. Because now me I get so big, me can't say me no want nobody sell for me. Because people see say there's a way they can make money. People see say
all I take I sell for wholesale and retail. All of them. A pure gunman you have a make cake. You know mix no cake. You're lazy and tired. A pure gunman I mix the cake them. Man, pure gunman in a mask I mix the cake them. Black them tomato, them not black. Them don't black.
come to Jamaica and them buy 50 cake, them can carry to America and make back them money and make back them plane fare. So people want to sell. There's so many persons reaching out.
You're not shipping no cake through Maxine. Maxine faster. You never see me did I call you today? Maxine faster. Maxine faster. Maxine faster. My way so let's say you know a lot, you know. And you know a lot. Maxine. This have nothing to do with triple decker either. What you say? That's not your family. That's not your friend. Right. Leave that right there. I might forget the Samsung phone. Alright, let's continue. No, Maxine, now you can't talk on the ear pan that
First
one.
was Jam
This is
one.
not on the ear. Me
Jamaica
live
Jam
now.
do.
This is on the ear. I owe this. I owe this. I owe that though. You have to give me more info. I owe that. You have to tell me I owe, you know it I move fast.
Jamaica Jam down or Jam something another. People of Canada, people here so. When you come here for buy me cake and I ask you for your picture, please allow me to get it. In future, in case anything go wrong, me can say yes. Me did sell this one and me did sell that one.
All them fuckery. Who can sell me buy something and me have to take a picture? Forget who I sell. What kind of fuckery this? Me can't go to business and them and talk about buy a picture. Send me a picture. Come on. Samsung soon charge up.
I did sell that one because of that, you know. Who no want to go here, man? December the amount of order. This is one you want to sell, yeah, so. This is one you want to sell. And I saw it go because I'm a Jamaica Christmas and a Jamaica cake season now. All the people them want to see are by foreign people, them are send and people are come. And people from all boat have send them family come by here. If me did a wicked person, not one person would have come here.
You're a wicked person. You're more than wicked. You're wicked too, you can't wicked no more. You could have come with angry face so no want. You're wicked too, you can't wicked no more. Me soon get one on. The Sam's not charge up. Don't worry. That you see them one them, me soon get you. Trust me, me know exactly who you is. Don't worry, go on press.
I mean, I look on the phone and say, you couldn't get me money. You know, taint me in all different
Nobody
kind of
not taint you, Donna. You thief alone the money. You thief all of the recipient them money. Eh? You buy guns. You buy bullets. You put coke in a sitting. You know, you keep them and send them go for it. You used to swallow yourself. And if I ask you, still a swallow.
yeah, and tell some breeder lie for me. And I take it, and I sit down, and I still a take them. Because I say I go alone. No. But tonight, I want to tell you, say I'm victorious. I am victorious. And my joy no come from man. My joy come from the man up above. Blessed and highly favored. Chocolate and vanilla, thank you so much. For just seeing me as somebody were good. And all the people, them Opal. And me hear Opal say this week, the amount of tests for the cake them go through. Then tell lie. Some breeder lie say me pay. I never want to go in at them there something. I don't want to go in at them there. When I saw me cake them go through and them are going now, I can't stop them. Because them are go through and them are get them check. When I say drugs in my cake, you know, evil. Well, no, I don't know people are foreign who buy my cake. Who me forgot put drugs in? From the day I born, I never make clean drugs. I never smoke weed yet. I never take up coke, I never see coke, I never hold it so in my hand. Upon phone, I see it. Marijuana, I see it all about a town and walk up. Them are going to do with it. Eh? What are they going to do?
Why the cake? Why go Brooklyn? Reach a Donna house. I mean, reach a Maxine house. Eh? Or the cake for reach a Brooklyn, a Clarendon restaurant where I get the coke cake them. Right, a Clarendon restaurant if you do. Out for have Clarendon restaurant pan it. And Paula name pan the box. And it reach a Maxine yard. And a totally two different address. So I wish Link couldn't have a FedEx. Can I reach straight to Maxine yard and it never addressed to Maxine. Eh? So how it reach a Maxine yard? When the box reach and when a problem, one did a ball. And I tell Maxine to go in the box, sir. Not open it up for. When your daughter have the coke cake them over her yard and she find out the coke must in the cake them and she not want them. And then you did I run Maxine for go over there at all costs. And when your daughter said she busy or she can't come out now or whatever. And then you don't want she go for the coke cake them. You don't want she left the coke cake them out the door. Sure.
Do with it. You no pay people. You no pay people for tell lie for me. For turn against for me and call it. Me everything, you know. Come me tell on the social media is a
Dummy ass. We are in the public. You're supposed to hear everything. We want you to hear. You dumbass.
World Wide Web now.
Shit.
People never use email again.
Who used the World Wide Web? Who used that term? Right. The fuck out of here.
Like how them I use Facebook and social media. You no pay people for torment me. You no pay people for go up on their life go done me.
Bitch. You can't call all who you pay. That look a shit house there. What that shit to their name? Shitty dad. Shitty dad. You go for the pastor, the lesbian pastor, and make she come with something. A wicked woman. Wicked Donna. That's at least your problem, because you buy guns and bullets there with a gunman. Everybody a mountain view, you know. You know your gunman Mike you want to.
Everything I choose sometime in me. Yeah, what? Yeah. I choose my sister. Yeah. I choose my sister. You want me answer, you know. I don't know because I don't see her from a week. And them not tell me. Anyway, I depend on the live. Let me call you back. You want to review the cake on the live where you go broke my concentration, you know. How you make people don't even want to sue, no buy, nothing found, and no blame people. They think God asleep.
You're damn right.
There's gonna be a day. I make sure I pay people now for whole life. Because some of them, if some of the people them now they panic. I tell my cousin them say, look here, take off them live here, me pay you do. Sit down and take off any live where I call my name, because me I gonna need them.
Tell your cousin for take off this. Donna, I buy guns and bullets. Ashanti 360, tell her, say it. Hurry up and come off foreign to Donna. You pick them send for you. I say you can't file a lawsuit easy. Make them send for you. I ask so. Come off foreign, come make your appearance. I ask so.
And when them delete it, we make sure it's on the screen record it. People are foreign. People are back me up left, right, and center. And there's gonna be a day. And every lie wanna tell for me and everything wanna accuse me of, it's gonna be a day. One day to come.
Donna, you buy guns and bullets. Donna, you make them beat up Salone. Donna, you make them beat up Sharika. Donna, and beat her right in front of her yard out the plum tree. Julia too.
Only day that no come and if God change my mind and turn my mind. But it a come because it ain't my hand alone. I wanna see no evidence, wanna come with it, come out strong with it. Wanna sit down on phone and wanna just tell lie on top of lie. I wanna know who on the phone pick me. I wanna grand pick me I go come out to be. Because anything wanna do me a curse. Wanna put down on a grand pick me. Wanna pick me and a whole family.
Donna. You bring gun, you bring people by gun point. All of them that gonna come down back and you think you live good. All of that gonna come upon your pit. Look upon you who attack. We put people upon them knee at gun time. Eh? Put the knees at gun point. Look upon who attack. Sure.
Curse. Una put.
Right now, all your daughter did I watch my show the other day. And she's supposed to share my mother. Cause your daughter come on more time. And your own daughter come on my show and watch. Ask her if she not watch me. I chat about you all the time. Ask her. Ask your own fucking daughter if she not watch me. I chat the truth about you.
Don't. Somehow you can't be sleeping on no bed. Somehow you can't be sleeping on no bed. You no tormented at night time and daytime. You know your under you so black and you not bleach like me. I be a
The blood clot. Look on the Pandora ya with that black eye. Eh? Look on the Pandora ya. I talk about this night oil ya. The blood clot. This devil looking eye, black eye.
You know mouth a chum frat. But the good God.
That's the people mouth a chum frat. Ashanti, ask your own fucking daughter. Chat the truth about you.
Daniel, through it all, you set up all kind of people for me. I'm there, I make money. I mean, every cake money we sell a
Panda.
tax
Panda.
Every cake money we sell a foreign for me. Can't not come here to me. We have 3 pitney up there. And anything, anybody will sell cake for me have to pay tax. Because them have to do receipt. It have to cash in them place.
Yeah,
have to give account for any cake we sell for me.
Yeah, okay.
And when you have a business, you're allowed to sell certain amount of money without
Look here, people. Look how this woman lie. Look how this woman lie. Look how this woman lie. Let me just show you something. Show me which part when you see tax up here. No.